will be open during Christmas as well.
Wait, here?
Uh-huh.
Oh, nice. I'm at Church's Chicken. I'm having the classic burger. Let's try it.
This is really good. It's pretty good. You ate half already. With just 2 bites.
I love burgers.
Good.
Church's Chicken is actually my roommate's favorite. I also really like Church's Chicken.
So what do you like about it?
Tasty, affordable, quick. And now I have one more thing to like about Church's. Festive! This morning I was opening the cafe and I got there a little bit early. I like to go there early and get myself some breakfast, but before I start doing that, I actually lay out the patio so no one tries to interrupt while I'm bringing them out. But this strange woman came up to me, and I told her, like, we're not open, can't come inside.
Yeah.
And she's like, okay, then I'm a photographer, I want to take pictures out here. And like, the street is free, you're welcome to take pictures. And then she kept talking. She was like, yeah, I'm a photographer and I want to take pictures of these nice, like, holiday lights. And I'm like, okay. And then she kept asking me, is it okay I take pictures of the nice decorations, like the Christmas decorations here? And I'm like, Mon for two? I don't work for them. I'm sure they are okay with it, but they don't want me.
What are you supposed to say?
Yeah. You have my blessing.
Feel free. You should have said that will be $5.
Yeah. But she wouldn't walk away. She kept on telling me. I'm trying to ask for my permission.
Oh. Maybe she thought it's one shop.
Yeah. A lot of people do. Especially the delivery drivers. We got so many delivery drivers today. Mom put you. Oh no. I ate almost all my chicken. Half here I can feel there's no
That's what I
chicken
told you
on
that
this
you
side.
had your sandwich already.
I might have to go buy a second one. No, I'm still hungry. I'll go buy one.
But you still have fries.
Oh, yeah.
You forgot about fries.
Burger time. Ketchup.
Do they have some sides or something if you want?
Oh, that's actually a good idea too. Yeah, I might try one of the sides. I was actually surprised in Korea they charge for the ketchup. They don't give you the ketchup.
Maybe people are taking too much. I'm sure it's just 2 cents. You think you really are that hungry that you're gonna get something else?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. These days I've been eating way more than usual.
Jesus. Real winter mode. The fries are so-so. But the chicken's good. I'm still gonna eat them. 안녕하세요. Wow. Okay. 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 That's okay. We will keep testing. Kumawa.
Thanks for joining my dinner. Bye bye.